welcome to another episode of Radius Tech Time. Today we're going to show you how to replace the actual timer to your 1015 digital display. Now if the label on your timer looks like these ones, then replacement of the label is very easy, and I'll have a link above to take you to our video showing you how to replace that label. However, if the label's in good condition, you hit the timer and you're not seeing any type of countdown, then we need to replace the actual timer itself. Now follow me, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and it's very easy.
First thing to make this easy is we're going to remove the bucket. This is our SQ model. You may have a round one, however the operation is the same. Remove the 3/8 bolts in there, and the bucket will just come right out. Inside, this is the backing plate to the timer, and we need to remove these 3 bolts, 1, 2, and then 3 at the top. You're going to use an 11/32 deep well socket, and I'm using a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. Next, we're going to remove this wire harness nut. Removing this will give you a little bit of slack, making the replacement a little easier. Once we've removed those 3 bolts on the black plate and the wire harness nut, you'll be able to remove this backing plate. Once the backing plate is removed, you'll notice that there is a 4th nut right here at the bottom, and removing that will release the timer. With that nut removed, the timer will come out, and with that wire harness bracket removed, it'll give you enough slack to get to the back wires. Now there are 4 wires, 2 on the back of the fuse and 2 on the circuit board that we need to remove. Take note of the wire locations, as they may be different depending on the year of your model. Once the wires are removed, there are 4 nuts that need to be removed, which using a 1/4 inch nut driver, we'll be able to remove these very easily. Once those are removed, the circuit board just comes right off the PEMS. Place your new circuit board right back on, and we're going to reverse the steps. Put the 1/4 inch nuts back on and tighten with your nut driver. Then reinstall the wires as you took them off. The wires are on, place the timer back in, and we're going to install that single nut first, which will hold the timer in place. Once that nut is on, we can then put the backing plate back on and resecure the 3 nuts. Once those nuts are installed, we're going to reinstall the wire harness bracket. Lastly, we're going to reinstall our can holder. Place the can holder back on the orbiting arm and line up your bolt holes. Reinstall your 3/8 bolts. And these do not need to be super tight. You will snug them up with your ratchet, and then hold the can and give it just a little bit more to tighten them on nice and securely. Once we have that can holder in place, let's give it a test. Plug your machine in, turn it on, close the door, and try both cycles. Both cycles work as should. Did the repair correctly. Great job. Thank you for watching Radius Tech Time. Please subscribe to our channel to be updated with all our new videos.